everyone, today's video is going to be my Birchbox. If you do not know, Birchbox is a subscription box that is $10 a month. I used to have it for a heck of a long time. I have a whole playlist. Oh, well, that piece of hair just doesn't want to do right. I had a whole playlist of unboxings. I'll link it below. I had it for like 3.5 years. Got rid of it. My little brother got a 3-month subscription for me for Christmas. So we'll just go ahead and talk about it. So this is the box this month. It's got like white, red, and black, and then it says XO right here. So it's all like X's and kind of like, I guess it's like kiss, 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 kiss. That's how I read it. And the theme was follow your heart, which is cute. So I don't know, sometimes Birchbox's themes get like a little serious for me. I'm like, y'all, it's a box of makeup, but that's just me. It's very cute though. I do enjoy it. And I will go ahead and show y'all the 6 items I actually got this time. So first and foremost, I got this IpKn Color Correcting Primer. So this is a green primer which is supposed to color correct for red. And I actually have a lot of redness in my skin when I don't have on a bunch of foundation. So I was excited about this. This is half a fluid ounce. No, it's a quarter of a fluid ounce, and it's valued at $4.90. But I didn't feel like it really like helped with that. I felt like it didn't really counterbalance any red in my skin, so it kind of didn't do that much. I'll keep using it, obviously. It was kind of a silicone-y texture. My makeup went on fine. I've been planning this foundation for a long time, so my makeup went on it fine over it. So it was nice. It just wasn't anything super exciting. Next, we have a liquid eyeliner from the brand The Beauty Crop. I do have something from this brand already, and this is the Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. Cute name. However, I have so many black liquid liners that I've gotten from subscription services. I know that a lot of people would use a black one, but I'm kind of the opposite mindset where I wish they would have gotten something like a fun color, because black, it's just like, okay, I mean, I guess I'll use it. I do have it on today. It's not the absolute blackest, but it's pretty good. It's got a, I think, yeah, it is a felt tip, and it's a decent size. It's really pointy, but I felt like I mean, I don't have on like crazy eyeshadows today, as you can tell. I just have on like this pretty gold, and I feel like it just, like I kept having to go over and over it. I don't know. It just wasn't that great. I mean, I guess I'm excited to try another liquid liner. I just wish it was like a little bit more exciting. Then I got 3 hair products. I got a shampoo and conditioner set from No. 4. I've tried that from their brand before, and I didn't really like it that much. It's a more expensive hair brand. It always smells like patchouli, and I don't like that smell at all. I don't like the smell of like expensive hair products, apparently. I forgot to mention, this is valued at $17.50. So this is the Le de Mer. I'm sure this is exactly how you say it. There it is. Hydrating shampoo and conditioner. So I said this many times before. If they're gonna do it, I like that they give you a shampoo and a conditioner. That's why I had 6 products, because they gave you both. I like the way they do that. But if you're gonna give me one that's a shampoo and a conditioner, make the foil packet a shampoo. I use a lot more conditioner. I feel like that's generally how it works. However, this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I don't agree with the way those proportions, but whatever. This is valued at $4. This is valued at 78 cents. I'll try it out. I haven't used them yet, but that's fine. I do like a hydrating shampoo, although sometimes they can be kind of like weighing down your hair. Next, I got something from R&Co, and I actually got their dry shampoo last time. So, second time I've gotten this brand in like 2 months. I do like their dry shampoo. It gives me a lot of volume. It was nice. This is their blowout balm. So, you're supposed to put this in your hair and then blow dry it, and then I guess it makes it like really soft and manageable. Here's the issue. I don't ever blow dry my hair. Never, not at once. I just don't do it. So, I don't know. I feel like this isn't going to really work that much if I don't blow dry my hair, but I guess I'll try it after I shampoo it. I'll see what happens. But I feel like just because I don't do that, this might not be the best product for me either. And last but not least, I got something from Avene. I've gotten quite a few things from this brand before, all through subscription services. And this is the Hydrants Intense Rehydrating Serum. So it's a hydrating serum. This is valued at, oh, dang it, I forgot to say it again. This little blowout cream is valued at $2.90. And then this serum, which is for your skin, I forgot to say that, this is skincare, is valued at $3.76. It's yay big. I like a hydrating serum. I usually use a hydrating or a vitamin C serum in the morning, and then I use lactic acid at night. That's just kind of how it goes for me. It generally works pretty well. So I guess, I mean, I'll definitely use this. I don't know. I'm just not overly excited. And that's kind of why I quit Birchbox. Please don't get me wrong. I'm really, really appreciative that my brother decided to give me this subscription service. I'm getting to try new things, which is always the goal. I just felt like every month with Birchbox, like 1 out of every like 5 or 6 months, I'd be really excited and I'd really like the box, and everything else was just kind of lackluster. Like, I know that you're not going to necessarily love every single item, but at least getting to try it is part of the excitement. But with these 6 items, I'm honestly not really excited to try any of them. Maybe this green color correcting primer, because like I said, I would like to have one that was good, but this one's not very good. So there you go. But that is my Birchbox for this month. You know, I'll play with these items. I will obviously review them in my empties, if not before then. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Talking to y'all is honestly one of my favorite things, so I'd love to hear from you. And if there's a video you want me to see, excuse me, if there's a video you want to see, go ahead and let me know that, because I always want to make videos you want to see. And with that, I'll just see y'all real soon. Bye.